Alright guys, we're going to get a quick test run on our Desert Gator. We're going to be using our URGENEX 2400 mAh 50C 3S LiPo. Pretty much everything else on this thing is stock. Find a way to hold this guy in there. I need my controller. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Looks like it's requiring signal. Working. Alright, requiring signal. Alright, we're good. Now, one of my commenters mentioned that this guy, let's go in here, that the Desert Gator came in two forms. The kit came with pretty much what I got on it, which is the CVAs and bearings. So it was interesting to find that out. I didn't know. I'm new to a lot of these cars. So. Oops, I forgot to turn that on. Steering servo is not the best in the world. And we're just going to do a driveway run. Sale, or yard sale. Just cleaning the barn out. I got all my surplus from one of my former businesses that we might start back up again. Man, the steering on this thing is awful. Give it a couple spins to see how fast we can go. I haven't pulled the trigger all the way yet, but it is what it is. One more spin. See if I can get it pegged. Again, everything else on this is stock. Gets through the grass alright. My grass is thick, so it's tough for these little guys. Ooh, buddy! Alright, let's see what we got here. Now again, this is for CW Creations, DT02 Speed Run Challenge, our first run. Got 17 miles an hour. It's not bad for first run stock, everything, just 3S. It's the only thing special. Oh, we are using the KoProPro. It's not even a 60 amp receiver, so ESC, so it'll probably be even better with the hobby wing, which I might switch to. But I think we're going brushless on this, so this is just first run, test it out, see where we're basing on this. So 17.7 put us down. We're on the board. See what I see, you guys. Bye.